Hello everyone. Got delivery. It's Sunday today, but it came Friday, and I'm only just getting around to open it. And this is the air hammer chisel set that I ordered off Amazon to go with my compressor. See the look. Really package it. Here we are. Stanley chipping hammer kit. Remove the plastic. And here we go. Oh no, let's take this cardboard sleeve off. Okay, let's bring it out, closer look. There's a few extra pieces just floating around inside, which you would have thought that these parts would have their own little section, but obviously not. Take the plastic cover off. That's the hammer part. Oil daily. Which I think I need to have a look at the instructions and see how this all goes together. But different chisel attachments. Pointy one. Flat-headed chisel. Look at a V-shaped top one. So what I'll do, I'll have a quick look at the instructions, and then I'll come back when I know a little bit of how it all works. I think I've got it together properly, but the instructions aren't the most informative. It just gives you pictures, it doesn't really say anything. The only thing it says, use and maintenance. It doesn't really gauge on exactly how much oil you put in it, and I presume because mine hasn't got an oil tank on it that lubricates automatically, I need to put the oil reservoir thing at the end of the hose that goes into the bottom of the hammer, like that, which I think I put a bit too much oil in because moisture seems to be flying out of it. If anybody knows how much you're supposed to put in there, because like I say, in the instructions it doesn't really say. You're supposed to put a couple of drops in, or half fill it, or if anybody's got any more advice on that. But overall, seems okay. And there's an adjuster at the bottom, so you can adjust if you want it low pressure, or you can turn it, make it hammer harder, which if you're doing a bit more delicate stuff you can turn the hammer pressure down. As it is, seems okay, as long as I've got it all set up right, but we'll see. Seems alright for the price of it anyway. It was, I can't think how much it was now, about £23 for the set, made by Stanley. Which I'll get aboard and have a quick try on a transformer or something and see how it performs. It's got itself a little board, just trying a couple of things, which I'll just use that to wedge against, which I'll eventually make an area with a surround, stop all the stuff flying about if it does. Well, let's have a little try. Sorry about the loud noise in a sec. Turn up a bit. Not too bad. Try the transformer part. Doesn't seem too bad. Taking those off quite cleanly, which I need to make myself a little setup better. Me personally, what I was thinking is I might get a couple of more chisels and grind this down so it's slightly thinner, so it cuts underneath better. Because I think on some of the components it's probably going to be a bit quite thick, but we'll see. Turn it up a bit more. Let's try it again. I think I need to practice on my technique, or try some of the different chisels. But me personally, I think that's a little bit too blunt. Which chamfering that off to a bit of a finer tip might work a bit better. But it's my first attempt. We'll see how we go and see if I get better with it. So. But overall, seems to work. It's just me, I need to practice. So here's a little update on the item that's came and showing you me totally messing up. When I've had a good practice with it and use it a bit better, I might do another video where I don't look so stupid. So catch you on the next one.